Now, here's something that I've been meaning to talk about since last week. You know that section of the road just beside airport, it's just ahead. It's been under repair for a few months now, and happy to say that that section of the road is finally open. Yeah, finally open, man. And like I said, I've been meaning to talk about this since last week. I mean, it's been open for a couple of weeks now. Granted, it's only been open partially, as you can see, only one direction. The other direction, the traffic on the other direction is still using the service road on the left, as you can see. But this road is finally open, and got to say, they did a good job. Looks good, looks sturdy. Hopefully, it will be fine. Hopefully, that it will last for at least a few years. And hopefully, they get around to repairing this section of the road. As you can see, it's gotten really bad. Really bad. Yeah. Unfortunately, I don't think that would happen anytime soon. Of course, I've been surprised before. I mean, they started repairing that section of the road, and it was a surprise to me. I didn't realize that they had their sights. The government, dpwh, had their sights on it already, and they started repairing it without even me realizing that there's already a project for it. So hopefully the same would happen with that section of the road, that broken part of the road. It's gotten really bad, as you can see. Yeah. I'm not holding my breath on that one though. Yeah. I mean, you never can tell with the government. One moment they're on top of things, and then the next moment, they're acting as if nothing is wrong. Yeah. Hopefully. Yeah. But again, not holding my breath on that one. Yeah. Still quite happy to see that section of the road is finally open. Traffic is bound to lighten up a bit, at least on that part, on that section. Yeah. And hopefully they'd also see fit to upgrade the sewage system in that area. I mean, because if it rains, and they may have repaired the road, but they didn't do anything about the sucky drainage system in that area. It's not gonna help one bit. That place gonna be submerged once again, and you know what happens to roads when they get submerged in flood water. Get destroyed just like that, man. Water seeps into everything and pretty much ruins the road. Of course, one could say that they elevated that part of the road when they repaired it, so there's very little risk of it being submerged. But you know, stranger things will happen. It could find itself once again submerged under floodwaters, under rainwater. Who knows? One can only hope for the best. And from the looks of it, at least they did a good job in repairing the road. The road looks sturdy, looks flat. So, hopefully. And hopefully they repair the adjacent section of the road. And yeah. So that's it for now. Just wanted to talk about that extension of the road because I'm quite happy to see it finally open. So yeah, that's it for now. Till next time, I'll be seeing you.